Navika Kumar, political editor, joining us from the capital. Navika, we're getting indication that the Congress MPs have put in a notice under Rule 193, which clearly means there will be a discussion on the floor of the House, but no voting. The government knows, Navika, that Team Anna is not going to be happy with this. How do you see this panning out now?
Well, Maru, clearly it's a strange of strategy between last night and this morning. The government has decided now to ask for a counter assurance from Anna that he will end his fast, because till last night the government was bending over backwards to accommodate all the demands of Anna Hazare. It was that meeting between Team Anna and BJP which clearly has queered the pitch as far as the government is concerned. The fact is that they've said that since they have no written demands from Anna Hazare, difficult to give a written assurance. That's the official stand. But internally, there's a deep divide. There are several within the Congress and the government who feel that Anna Hazare may ask for the moon and still not retrace his steps from the fast, and that the government needed to ensure at this point that his fast will be ended. So now the counter condition has been put by the government, which was till 12 o'clock last night, saying there will be a parliamentary discussion, there will be a discussion under Rule 184. This morning, all of that has been set aside, and the government is saying that there is no notice. Now, notice also has been given by 3 Congress MPs, Jagdambika Pal, Renu Tandon and Sanjay Nirupam. But the fact is that the government is using this as a camouflage. We'll have to wait and watch whether the Speaker admits this short duration discussion under Rule 193. It's not necessary that on a day the notice is given for a 193 motion, it is to be accepted, because a 193 discussion also requires a government response, and until and unless the government is prepared to give a response, sometimes the Speaker may not allow the discussion to take place. So the situation extremely fluid, the strategy still being formulated, the counter conditions being put on Anna Hazare. Clearly, the government has changed track between 12 o'clock last night and 10 o'clock this morning, and playing hardball seems to be the new formula that the government is adopting.